If your backyard suddenly oozes lava, you're not grilling. You're living on a volcano. If smoke billows from your garden, you're not burning leaves. If the ground rumbles, you're in the danger zone. Volcanoes are Earth's pressure valves. When things get too intense underground, they blow their tops in a fiery show. Some eruptions last minutes, others rage for months, spewing ash and molten rock miles high. But volcanoes aren't just destructive. They create new land, fertile soil, and even stunning tourist hotspots. So next time you see a volcano, remember, it's nature's wildest special effect, and you definitely don't want a front row seat.